Good morning, girls. Today I am taking your maths class, exercise 15.4, question number 2. We already done question number 1, and question number 2 is also the same as you have done in question number 1. So question number 2 is solve triangle ABC when angle C is 90 degree and first part is given to you, angle B is 60 degree and side A is 2 centimeter. Now this figure you have to draw yourself, as it is given to you in the question that angle C is 90 degree. That's why 90 degree angle you have to put as C. Angle B is given to you 60 degree. So here angle A you just write down 60 degree here, and angle B is unknown which you have to calculate. So write down the given and required first. Given is angle B 60, angle C 90, side A 2 centimeter. Required is, now two triangles are already given to you. Third one is left, angle A. One side is given to you, two sides are left, B and C. Okay, now we come to the solution. We already know this thing that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. And the value of angle B is 60, angle C is 90. When you sum up, it will become 150. Shift on other side. So 180 minus 150 is 30. Angle A is 30. Okay. Now girls, here for finding side B, you should know that only one side is given to you, that is A. A is equals to 2. So you have to use any trigonometric ratio in which side A, that is actually perpendicular, is given to you. So we have two formulas here for perpendicular, like you can use sine also. Like in sine we are using perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and you can use tangent also, where we are using perpendicular upon base. So we have two trigonometric ratios, and out of two trigonometric ratios we can use any one of them over here. So here I am using tangent 30 degree. 30 degree means I am taking base. Angle B is 30 degree. Angle A is 30 degrees. So according to angle A here, if I draw this triangle here, then this is your angle A and its opposite side is small a. This is your angle B and its opposite side is side B. This is angle C and its opposite side is side C. Now if you are taking angle A, this 30 degree, this is 30 degree which we have just calculated. So 30, according to this 30 degree and this 90 degree, this is your base and this is your perpendicular. This is your base and this is your perpendicular. So we are taking perpendicular upon base. Okay. So perpendicular is A and base is B. Here the value of A is given to you 2 and this B you shift here. So it will become B upon root 3. So your value will become root 3 shift here. Shift this root 3 here. It will become B is equals to 2 root 3. This is your value of B in centimeter. Now we are coming to third side. Now we have to find side C by using sine theta. Now it's again up to us that for hypotenuse either we use sine 30 or we use cos 30. It's up to us because we have both the values of perpendicular and base, but we just want to calculate hypotenuse. That is one unknown value which we have here. So sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Perpendicular is A, that is equals to 2, and C is unknown. So now you will shift C here. C को आपने यहाँ shift किया और इस 2 को आपने यहाँ shift किया. 2A हो गया और ये C आपका यहाँ चला गया. अब A की value आपके पास 2 given है. 2 2s are 4. So this is your final answer. Okay, now we will do question number 3, 6 part. Question number 2 and 3, they both are in the same way we are doing. That's why now I am taking question number 3, 6 part. Here side B is given to you, side A is given to you. In given, angle C is 90 degree and side A and B is given to you. So you have to draw this figure yourself. Angle C is 90 degree and two sides are given to you. Angle C की opposite side side C होगी, angle A की opposite side side A है और angle B की opposite side side B है. ठीक है? So this is given and this is required. Now first of all we are going to find out angle A. Two sides are given to you. Which two sides are given to you? A and B. Perpendicular and base are given to you. So with the help of perpendicular and base we will use tangent formula. आप कौन सा trigonometric ratio use करेंगे? आप tangent का formula use करेंगे. Okay, so A is given to you 3 root 3 and B is given to you 3. Cancel both the 3, only under root 3 is remaining here. Now we know that tangent 60 degree is equals to under root 3. So angle A will become 60 degree. Now you have two values, angle A and angle C, and you can easily calculate angle B from here. So our angle B is 30 degree. Now only side C is remaining, which you have to calculate, and side C is hypotenuse actually. Now you have to use any such trigonometric ratio in which hypotenuse is involved. So we are using sine 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60's value is under root 3 upon 2, perpendicular is 3 root 3, and C is unknown. Now shift this C on the other side, and this root 3 upon 2 will be here. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel आपका, 3 2 is 6. So your final answer is 6.